If you've ever gotten the modifier cannot be applied to multi-user data error, it can be really annoying, and it's a real hassle trying to figure out the root of the problem, but that's why I'm here today, to quickly diagnose and fix the problem for you so you don't have to worry about it anymore. And if ever again you do encounter the error, you can remember this video. Alright, so let's get right into it. For this tutorial, I'll be using the newest version of Blender, Blender 3.0, released in December of 2021. Alright, so I've created a sphere, and alongside it I've created a more blocky sphere that hasn't been subdivided yet. I've added a subdivision surface modifier to this sphere, but the user data of these two mesh objects has been linked. I don't know how, I don't know when it occurred, but somehow it has. So sometimes what I'll find, and I think the problem you're having now, as you're watching this video, is that you've tried to apply a modifier. It could have been any modifier, twist modifier, explode modifier, could have been anything. But I've added a modifier, and I'll go over to this drop-down arrow right here, and I'll try to apply my modifier. And you'll see that it's grayed out, and that when I hover over it, it says it's disabled because modifiers cannot be applied to multi-user data. Now, when I first encountered this, I was very aggravated. I didn't know that there was such an easy fix. As it turns out, it's pretty simple. And you'll find yourself laughing if you spent hours trying to solve this problem at how simple it was the entire time. Make sure that you're not selecting the secondary object. You're selecting the object that you want to apply the modifier to. Make sure you're selecting the one, and I can't put inflections on it enough that you're selecting the one that you want to apply the modifier to. Select that one. And go over to the Object Data Properties panel, which is this green triangle icon. Click on it, and right here, where it says 2, click it, and now the user data has been unbinded. So if you go back to your modifiers panel, you can see that you can now apply your modifier. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time.